Good morning, or well, good night. It's day 9. We're about to be on day 10, and got some crazy things going on today, I guess. I don't know. We haven't done anything today. Well, tomorrow anyway, because it's 23:27. Probably gonna just skip all this and start over, because I don't even remember what I was doing. Nothing in there. I think I was wanting to make a cement mixer, which needs something. Let's check it. Cement mixer. CEMEN. Cement mixer. 25 forged iron. A spring and engine and mechanical parts. I think we have an engine somewhere. There's an engine. We got 17 mechanical parts and 12 springs. So that's plenty. So all we need is forged iron. Jiminy Christmas. I think we have forged iron from that lamp right there. That was it, huh? 2. Saw something run across the road over there. Maybe it was a rabbit. I think we had 17. I think this is 19. Wasn't there one at that intersection over there? A light post. How much do we need again? Cement mixers. Cement mixer. Yeah, we need 25. Oh, we have 12. We're not going to get that way. Wait, what just happened? That was steel that we got, not forged iron. Oh. Okay, back. That here. We're not as organized as we really need to be. Really, yeah. Okay, so do we have any points? 0. And we're not very close to making any points. We need to put a point into advanced engineering on the intellect tree, right? So that we can make I believe this right here makes us gives us the forge. Alright, and we really need a forge. So we need to figure out what we're doing. Our goal is to get a cement mixer, but we may have to get a forge in order to do it. Let's see, how much wood do we got? 189. Do we have any wood in storage anywhere? Do need to work on the base. Nope, just tons of concrete. Lots of stuff to sell to the trader. God, need dang cement mixer. I can't think of, we haven't come across one that's working. So I don't know what to do. I think we need to go back over there and loot. Or back to Diersville. Until we get another point. I don't know. Mercy. Let's just make a bunch of frames. Wood frame block. How many can we make? 94. Craft. Now let's go cut some trees. Run! Oh, he's coming. He's coming. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Why am I waddling so slow? My armor sucks. Okay. There we go. Alright, come up here, buddy. Wow. He took a bunch of bullets to the face. Yep, 35 meat off of that guy. Right now. Big concrete. stars are so beautiful. Alright. Nothing in there. I was wondering. Alright, let's do this. And we are all out of wood. Let's put... Actually, let's do this real quick. Nope, can't do that either. Let's go ahead and put this back. Got some of those, which I don't know where we came from. Alright, we're going to Diersville. Yes. And another one of those. Okay. That's odd. Should have been covering that, right? Like a painting or something. This house is easy to loot. Like 2 zombies in it or something like that. I don't remember. Maybe no zombies. Hey, popping pills. Sniper Volume 1. Advanced reloading. 10% faster. Blood bags. Denatured alcohol or whatever it is. Let's fight some zombies today. Some skill points. This place is just falling apart. Alright. Drop a bomb. It's sprinting power attacks have a chance to knock your opponent down. And then the rifle schematic. Okay. Let's drink water. I knew it. It looked like it was going to just be crap. And since I haven't seen these zombies yet, I'm assuming that if there are some, they're in that room over there. I don't want to run and fall through a hole. Painkillers, those are always useful. Shoes. Are they any good? 40? I don't know. It's not worth a lot. I can get like 100 for sunglasses, right? Yeah. So I was thinking this was the room. Yep. Aside. Yeah, that's handy. Okay, I thought we picked up, we have 5 lockpicks. Let's try it. Let's pull that up in case we actually do have a zombie. I'll take this. Well, it's not as easy. He's got some points. Alright. I'm gonna leave the rest alone. Just me. The lone survivor of the apocalypse. The lone saliver. That's where it was going. Okay, I'll take that. Wait, what is that? Fortifying grip mod? Let's see what we can put it in. Let's eat one of these. Put the other one in there. Well, she noticed me. Modify this. Modify. Complete. Modify. Complete. Alright. Oh crap. Glad I didn't let her get that close. Oh, she should have gone down. Alright, we're good. Alright. Something through there. Destroyed. I'm gonna scrap that. Let's dig this up. I think we're gonna go back to doing oh, there's a box. Stuff for the trader. Quest for the trader. I don't like these guys. Oh, they're creepy. And they're wrong. $1. That's all I asked for was $1. Alright. Crap. She was fast. Oop, missed. I woke somebody up for sure. Yeah, for sure. Is there anything else up there? Ow. Nope. No, I'm really curious about what's back here. Let's do this first. Scrap, but I'll take the rest. Alright, I'm still feeling pretty spry. Let's go up here and see what's going on. Oh. Hey, buddy. Well, he made us a way out. Let's just go dump our stuff real quick. That was convenient. Alright, let's make another one. Secured wood chest, craft. Let's go. I need to start carrying my bow around with me. That's what I thought. What's his name? Keith, Kevin, something. Should be Ronald McDonald. Pears. Really shouldn't have brought food with me today, because I knew I was going to be like, you know, doing cabinets a lot. But I may not get any food. It's just the luck of the draw. Alright, lady. I need to get that, but I got to deal with you first. Come here. Come here. Alright. Did I get that? No. But I did. Okay, got all that. Yeah. I got close. I would have missed those cans. You know how much we need cans. Not. Scrap, scrap. I could repair it and sell it. So let's see that. And then gotta get rid of that. Not in this game. Let's pick up chairs. Scrap them for wood. Anything in there? About here. Oh, same crap. God, it's like crazy. Oh. Okay. I'm going to take this for the leather. Whatever we don't use of leather, we can always sell to the trader in stacks. Alright, get rid of broken glass, scrap the nails. 2x mod schematic is good. And turn the robotic turret into a makeshift shotgun. Craft robotic turret shells. Okay. You know what, we're going to need that glass in order to make the 4x scope. Was that a 4x or a 2x? That was a 2x. We need more glass. Forged iron, scrap polymers, and glue. We got all that. Okay, we got enough now, I think. Wait, right? Yeah. Alright. Let's see how this is. Oh, crap! Ah. Oh, crap. I was right. Problem with dogs is they're so fast. Well, we didn't get infected. Well, there's most definitely going to be somebody in these closets. I'll use the pistol. I just heard somebody come from that direction. Yep. You know, as intimidating as this guy looks, it's actually a fairly easy elimination. Alright. That was a bit of ammo there. Oh, lots more ammo. Alright. Got the desk, we got that. We don't need that. He came from there. Can, for crying out loud. Anything in here? On top? No. I think we got... No? Oh, wow. Our lucky Lucy just went up. Hey! We found ourselves. Lots of zombies. And... yeah, that was convenient. Mostly dead. Oh, lots of zombies. I am going to do my best to keep this melee. We're out of stamina. Come on, come on. I don't want to waste any bullets. No? Oh, I thought he was going to get a hit on me for a second. Alright. Oh, 2 books. Ergonomic grip. Motion detection devices will not recognize you for 3 seconds when sneaking. That's more of a PvP situation. That's right. I said situation. Deal with it. We'll just scrap that actually. We have bones in our inventory. Okay, let's go back over here. See what's in here. Please. 1 lockpick. Just 1. The whole way. We're being gentle. It was teasing me. Still teasing me. I don't think I have any more. Nope. Maybe I picked one up. Nope, I'm all out. We're not going to stand there and beat on that thing, so we're going to have to just deal with this for now. Got to go up there. Alright, let's leave down here. Water. Toilet water. Acid. Acid's great. Make stuff with it like wheels for things. No birds. No zombie. Nothing. Alright. We got munitions crate. Oh my gosh. Yes, we're taking all of that. Okay, let's open this up. Wow, what a difference a set of lucky looter goggles will make, huh? Look. Look. This is fantastic. I didn't help with that, but... Alright, let's do this real quick. Modify. Let's take that out. Let's modify this. Modify. That in. Complete. Alright, let's swap spots. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scrap this and then cancel. And it removes all the bullets and puts them right there. So now we can just load that guy. Alright. And now we have this that, well, we could sell it. That's about it. Do we have? Now it's less. I'm just going to scrap this. Scrap. Alright, what else did we get? We got this. Has a melee damage. Okay, we're looking for block damage of 32. This has a block damage of 32. The attacks per minute is 105. Attacks per minute is 62. Well, holy crap. We still have... This is better than that, for crying out loud. That's disappointing. Okay. Level 6. 932, 7, 932, 8. This actually does, with the mod, you know what, let's take the mod off. complete. Yeah, so this is better. Okay, modify, complete, scrap, it's there. Alright, now what about this? Oh, we're going to wear this. Alright. No, we're not going to scrap it. We're going to wear this. Alright. It says nothing in it. We'll end up selling those. So sell that. Scrap these. I always scrap these. Scrap. And scrap. And scrap. And scrap. Alright, let's go drop crap off and hit another house. Alright, so what I think we're going to do is... Alright, we need whatever was there. What was there? Well, apparently we didn't need it all that bad. Oh, no. Let's just grab these real quick. Yeah. Alright, let's eat this. Use. The can up. Yes, upgrade. Actually, is it? 7. Oh. Yeah, it's an upgrade. And that. Alright, looks good. Let's put these on the hotbar. Garage is open. Alright, oh cool. Nothing above us. 1426.57. And no. Scrap it. And this place is a whole lot of nothing. Okay. Alright. That's right. I remember now. It's a trap. But we're going to go ahead and fall for it. Yep, alright. When you're reloading, you can't jump high. I don't know why. It's weird. Nothing behind there, is there? No cabinets here. Those are all empty. Fridge is okay. Uh, 34. We'll save that in case we find some food. Nothing back there, nothing behind here. Wow, this is like a whole lot of nothing. Where's the dang loot? Alright. Does that matter? Where's the zombies at? Alright, get rid of that. Scrap that, scrap that. Hey buddy, I know you're busy. Can you fix my car? It's funny because she's a mechanic, right? Yeah, it wasn't funny, I know. Window. Okay, plug, right here. There's a purse down there. Another plug. Food, glorious food. Food, glorious food. I figured. Dang it. At the door. Nothing. Yeah, alright. That's actually my favorite thing to drink. It's got a good stamina regen on it. And lots of water. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Oh, I totally missed that round. Alright, I thought that this was the way up, but it's not. The other way is the way up. So let's just loot here real quick. Nothing. Storing empty cardboard boxes in your attic? We might be able to sell that. Actually, it's a level 6. Alright. Yep, bathroom. Okay, what's in here? Cardboard box. Large medical pile. Take that. Ammo. We'll always take ammo. Ammo's good. Is that a plug? Hey. Nope. Okay. We're holding the wrong thing. At what point will they all start running at me? That's a foot over there. Ooh, what is that? Swear that. No, I like the black one. There. So yeah, we don't need it. Scrap that. Oh, I woke him up. What I want to do, well, not a lot of guys here, is dig up this cobblestone real quick. Yeah. Yep, another trap. There's a plug right there, I think. Alright. So at what point do you come running? That was another plug. Or was that the same plug? Wake up. Go to sleep. Oh, wow. Powered doors and bridges schematic. Yep. That's pretty cool. Nope. There it is. We're in that situation again. There's a lot of zombies. Get up. Sit down. Stand up. Lay down. They did. Very obedient zombies. Nice. Alright, what about these guys? Level 6? Yeah, I might be able to sell them for a little bit. There's a loot room. Yeah. Lots of ammo. That was lots of ammo. That was a large pile. We sell that box. And alright, sell that book. Box. That's a good find. Okay. Alright. More ammo. Scrap that. Oh yeah. Alright, let's do that right now. Oh. Gotta take that out. Modify. Modify. Both these suckers in there. Complete. Alright. Where? we'll sell that after we repair it at some point. Okay, it's 1647. Maybe beating through that thing isn't going to be the best deal. Alright, let's waddle our butt on down and get out of here. So slow. This is me running as fast as I can. Wow, it's like breakdancing. Alright. Let's do this. Put the rest on this one. Yeah, I know you're close, but I'm just gonna ignore you for a second. Alright, there you are. No solicitors. I'm not buying, you're selling. I don't have any repair kits, but I think we'll make it with this wrench. Abysmal. Let's go put a mod on our boots. Modify. Complete. Alright. Let's go to that house. We got a little while. We're not really afraid to be out at night. Just gotta be cautious. Oh yeah, this I remember now. Yeah, the guy's over there taking a little nap. Let's just take this leather. Oh. Take that. Nothing. He jumped in. Whoa. He jumped us, right? That was an interesting little thing that just happened. Oh. Alright, solve that problem. Oh, I didn't solve that one. Oh. Alright, I just looked at my wrench, and my wrench is just almost dead. I'm not gonna make. I'm gonna have to come back. I should probably learn to speak English. Baby talk is my primary language, so it's just one of those things. Nope, nothing behind it. Okay. Oh wait, let's put the weapon in our hand. Got more stuff in here we can loot. Look, I mean, like, you know, cement. A surprise box. We don't know what's in it. Could be a toilet. It's leather. I'm not surprised. Oh, workbench. Destroyed. Well, I'll be darned. Looky there. Let's... do that. Let's dig up the concrete. It's like everybody in this world was like obsessed with concrete and cobblestone. There's a little bit in every house. It's kind of weird. Oh, leather. Let's get that real quick. Also, I should probably check out that bathroom. Okay. And I'll tell you why. Plus 200 sneak damage. Alright, I got 6 arrows. Let's go ahead and load them. Alright. Now, I'm not going to be using this a lot, but when I do, it's going to be pretty important. Alright, wait, toilet. Toilet pistol? Oh, toilet water. Alright, let's go this way. Jump. Alright, door. that. Did we just get a duster? Do we have a duster? Where? Oh, that's funny. You get to choose heat resist or cold resist. That's more balanced. We'll wear that one. And then we'll scrap this one. Wait, is it worth money? Yes, it is. Keeping. See, and then we'll sell this one. We'll probably, yeah, we'll sell that one too. So probably scrap that one, but it's actually in pretty good condition. Hear you. There you are. Alright, Kenny. Is that your name, Kenny? Something. I don't remember. Might be it. Ooh, what is that? Corn seed? Corn seed recipe. Alright. Something back there. Oh crap. Right, let's go this way. Alright, come here. You got a hidden on me. Jerk. Wasn't ready for that. Uh-oh. Water. Oh gosh. Oh, Air of Scotland. Don't need that. Different game. Need that. Different game. Or, we're not making antibiotics. Alright. So, yeah, plug right there. Guys, it is about to get interesting. We're gonna hope that I live through this. But, zombies are about to start running. Up, 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 up. Let's do it this way. Alright, and let's repair this, because, yeah, having it is a whole lot better than, you know, not having it. Could be a plug. Let's check it. Yep, it's a plug. 18 shell. Make ourselves a little gas. Okay, this is where we came in. Yeah, so let's go up here. Got a book. Some food. Let's eat the food. Read the book. You can craft steel clubs. Alright, that's fair. Alright, if you'll notice, my inventory is now completely open. Alright, at night I'm not encumbered because I got a hold of a book that allows me to not be encumbered at night. So it is kind of now, like, really a lot more important for us to loot at night. You know what I mean? Because now we can run around with impunity. Alright, like all the energy, all of it. Alright, I love ammo piles. Alright, let's go to this room. Ah, she got a hit on me. That wall got in the way. Oh, alright. I'm taking those because that's a lot. I might end up scrapping the shoes. Nothing, a whole lot. I don't know that I have enough. Oh, hey guys. So just, oh, there's 3 of you. It was a horde. And you broke both my little protection devices. Oh, Alright, yeah. Okay. You up. Got a chicken? Yeah, there's a chicken down there. Not that I'm cutting up, I mean, down there on the ground. I saw that. Oh, check that. Yep, you can't cut him up. Kind of looks like a plug, but I don't think there's anything behind it. But I want to know. Nope. Okay. We already were in here. Oh, this is so confusing. You know that? That's an arm. Just in case you're bringing any of your buddies with you. Well, I'll be honest with you. I don't know where to go from here. So we're gonna do this the nerd way. It's just a nerd pull. Oops. We woke somebody up. Alright. Not bad, not bad. That's a piece of metal, isn't it? Oh my gosh, no. We've just done that, you know, little piece of metal for 1,000 instead of like 4 blocks for 225. Alright. Holy crap. There's a lot more people in here than I anticipated. It would have been 5 zombies and a dog. Alright. I don't know how we were supposed to get up here. I'll look around, I'll find it, you know, just we'll come across it while we're wandering around here looking for stuff. I like to do things, you know, the way that the designers intended them. Nope. But sometimes that isn't an option. Scrap. Take the dukes. That's cool, but I'm not gonna wear it. I know we have room for this because we already have it in our inventory. Alright, let's see what's going on in here. Oh, let's grab our weapon. Holy crap. Okay. Go this way. Watch out for the false floor. You know, let's have a weapon in our hands. How about that? That was uncalled for. I apologize. That sells for 99. Scrap this. Get that right there. See. Dang it. Dang it. Alright. Give me a second. Scrap. Scrap. Modify. Complete. Modify. Complete. I don't know what the heck happened there. Oh, it had no place to go. Let's see what this looks like. Give me, no. Alright, what do I need to scrap? Scrap that for now. Oh, we can scrap these chairs, that's fine. Yes, a level 3 hammer. Okay, scrap that. Give me a hammer. Let's do this. Repair. Repair. I mean, I can't. What's going on? No room in queue. What BS is that? Alright. Okay, that was why. What was I going to scrap? No, I want that back. I'm not scrapping, I'm repairing. Okay. Why is that taking so long? Okay, let's just look through. I need forged iron. Why are you doing this to me? Oh, get rid of that. Repair. Now we get rid of the stones. We take this. What's that? Blood bag. And I need to figure out how to take these two items. I need this. You can make gasoline with that, but not anytime soon. Okay, sneak damage, power attack. It's 23. Attack 23. You know what? Stamina cost. Let's just do it. Modify. Oh, can't do it. Hold on. Let's throw this in there. Where we at? Modify. Stop using a bone shiv. That'll be nice. Modify. Where'd it go? There it is. Complete. Scrap this. Put this in there. And still needing one spot. Alright. Because that's worth money.
Thank you for joining me on this episode of 7 Days to Die, the Kill Switch. If you like it, then hit the like button. Subscribe and share my stuff on your social media, because I could use the exposure. Thank you much for joining us. Have a good one. See you next time.